Hey everyone, welcome back with me again at the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use the speed ramping in CapCut to transform your video into an awesome video. So here, I've already imported a video. So what you guys need to do next is just click on the clip, go to speed and select curve. Now choose the custom one. Click on edit and then just adjust it into your liking, but you can also use this curve that I'm using, so you can add or delete beat this dots right here. That's up to you. I'm going to add 3 to my video. Okay, and then you can just adjust it on your own. Okay, I'm going to make it like this. You can actually adjust it to your liking or based on your video. Okay, I'm going to drag this to here like this for the last 2 like this. You can preview the result first before clicking on the check icon. Okay, I'm going to make it a better quality. Then just click on the check icon and wait for the smooth slow motion to be applied to the clip. Okay, so the smooth slow-mo has been applied, and here you can also see the result again by playing it again. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.